All right, it's time now for our weekly DIY security tip of the week. And every week we put one of these together for you because when it comes to protecting your security and privacy online, nobody does it. That's why you have to. And this week we're talking about all these sites that contain your personal information, your private information. I'm not talking about the sites that you necessarily have to pay for. We're going to be talking about those, but also the sites that are just free for the taking. You type in somebody's name and you get their name, their address, their age, maybe 15 past addresses where they lived. It's crazy stuff. So if you're ready, let's get started. So these are called data brokers, and they grab data that's publicly available, meaning you need to take the first steps to secure this information. So first of all, you're going to start with Facebook. We're going to walk you through how data brokers can harvest your information off of your social media accounts. So you want to make sure that everything's private. You go into Facebook and you go into Edit Profile, and you uncheck boxes that are next to the information that you want to keep to yourself, such as your hometown, your education, other data. Now, there is an option on Facebook that says, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Okay, you're going to want to get in there and uncheck that box that appears. Our next stop is Instagram. We're going to go to your profile and your settings, your privacy and your account privacy. And the same thing with Twitter. We're going to protect your tweets. Now, when should you contact these credit reported agencies? Well, if you're looking to stop data brokers from harvesting information from your credit report, it is possible to freeze. We're going to tell you how to do that. Also, the biggest data brokering websites out there, I'm talking about the people search sites where you can just go in. There's Instant Checkmate, Intellius, MyLife, PQ, Public Records, Spokeo, Pipple, US Search, White Pages, Zabasearch. We did all the work for you. We did everything. So all you need to do is to hit this website and hit a link, and we're going to tell you exactly how to opt out of all those people search sites. So when somebody goes looking for you, they go, we don't know anything about John Smith. So how do you check it all out? Well, it's easy. You go to komando.com. That's komando.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Pics button right on the homepage, and that tip will be right there waiting for you. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.